Hello students, today discuss about continuing the online virtual classes. Today discuss the how to change the any rational numbers in a decimal form, and the decimal form is the terminating, non-terminating or repeating. For example, we would divide it by 1 by 3. So using the long division, you just divide 3. If you do not divide it to the decimal, 3 9 again 0 3 9 1 0 means the value of 1 by 3 equals to 0.333. So or we written that 0.3. Some books have written that only one dot or 0.3 bar. That's the non-terminating but repeating decimal. If you want to divide by 21 divided by 2, so 21 divided by 2 is 2 ones are 2, 0 carry 1, then 0.0 means 21 by 2 is equal to only 10.5, means that is the terminating decimal. So more example, 21 divided by 5, so we also 4.2 is the terminating decimal. So if P by Q is a rational number, if Q be 2 पे पावर n और 5 पे पावर n और 2 का पावर n into 5 का पावर n, then P by Q be a terminating this. Say that if any fractions have denominator is the form of either be the multiple of 2 or multiple of 5 or multiple of 2 and 5, such type of the rational number are always as a terminating decimal. If anyone asks, so without the dividing, you say that the which term are the terminating decimal or non-terminating. So you just first of all you just check it. The denominator is the either to the power of 2 or 5 or multiple of 2 or 5. Accept nothing more than 2 का power n and 5 का power n. So if any fraction, you will just check it, you just putting that. In any example, his denominator be either be the multiple of 2 or multiple of 5 or 5, yeah, multiple of 2 and 5. So all the form, in all cases the fraction is the terminating decimal. So now today discuss if you change the decimal form of any rational number, so how to convert to the again in the p by q form if 0.3 to change to convert in p by q form means let f equals to 0.333 and so on. When we multiply by the 10 both sides, so 10x is equal to 3.333 and so on. Is the denominator parts are the same. So we also say, written that 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.333 or also written that 10x equal to 3 plus x. Then 10x minus x is equal to 3. So 9x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 3 is the p by q form, or the decimal form is the 0.3333. Just first of all we just divide that, we get that number. So change that number in that the p by q form again, so that the process we use. We written that multiply by 10. Next, if the decimal part is not the same in every stage, so again we multiply by the 10. If we not be same, then again we use the multiply by 10, and continuously that terms when the decimal part are equals to any one x, 10x, 100x, 1000x, 10,000x, and where it is same. In that case, they will also solve that questions if you just subtract that 10x minus x, because the both the decimal part have the same. So 10x minus x equals to 3 minus 0. So 9x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 9, or x is equal to 1 by 3. Why we write here? Because 0.3333 divided minus 0.333, in always we get the 0. So our the decimal part is the terminating, because the subtraction of the decimal part is get the only the 0. So in that process we find that in first of case we divide by 1 to the 3 to get the 0.333. So in that case, if 0.33 to divide to change as the again the 1 by 3 format. Next, we have to change the another example. If you change the 0.321 into p by q. Next, again same process. Let x equals to 0.321212. When multiply by the 10x, So 3.212121 multiply by 10. Next 100x बराबर 32.1212 and so on. Then again multiply by the thing. 1000x is equal to 321.2121. So that have the same 2121. Then we just subtract that 1000x minus 10x equals to 321.2121 minus 3.212121. So 990x equal to 321 minus 3. So x equal to 318 divided by 990. You just divide it. 3 ones are 3, 0, 6, 3, 3, 0. 53, 1, 6, 5. So x is equal to 53 divided by 165. Means the fraction is the 53 by 165. Means the value of 0.321 equals to 53 divided by 165. If you change that questions, if you change 2.3 to and bar on the so again let x is equal to 2.3211. So 10x is equal to 23.211. 100x is equal to 232.1. So 1000x is equal to 2321.111. 10,000 2321.111. अब यहाँ ये दोनों का सेम हो गया. तो द डेसिमल पार्ट आपका इक्वल first of all with 2.311 10x so 23.2111 फिर और देखो यहाँ ये और ये Is the decimal part is 111. Is the decimal part also 111. Is the decimal part 111. So we get the here. So no need that process because is the decimal part are already equal. So the next step are the not needed. So you just subtract both the 1000x minus 100x equals to 232.111 minus 232.111. So 900 x plus 232 2321 minus 232. So 9 8 So it is not in the further in a simplest form. So the value of 2.321 bar equals to 2089 by 900. I think all the students have the understand that how to change the repeating decimal to in a rational number as a p by q. Next topic is the left behind that how to visualize as a 2.234 on number line. Such type of the questions are given in our books. So 2.234 are lies between the greater than 2.234 and less than 3. So first of all, you draw a number. Again, the distance between the both the terms have the equal. So the numbers lies between the 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. If you divide by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2.2. So that is the 2.1. That is the 2.1 and 2.3. Means that numbers are lies between the 2.2 and 2.3%. Because greater than 2.2, so the lie between the 2.2 and 2.3 again we divide in the 10 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If you draw the 9 lines, so equals to the 10 equal parts. So the first part is the 2.21, 2.22, 2.23, 2.24, 2.25. So 2.23. So 2.23 and 2.24. Then again expand it. So 2.23 or 2.24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first term is the 2.231. Second is the 2.232. 2.233. That's the 2.234. Means that the number is the 2.234. That the process to use to represent or visualize the 2.234 or decimals the places on the number. And one questions are that if 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 power 1. If 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 power 1, so write the value of a 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and so on. So we just simply written that 2 by 7 equals to 2 into 1 by 7 also, and value of 1 by 7 equals to what? 2 into 0.142857. ठीक है, और सिंपली आप इससे क्या कर दो, मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. One four two eight five. Then you gradually you just, if 3 by 7 means 3 into 1 by 7 equals to 3 into 0.142857. So the value is The next is the what? Inserting the irrational numbers between the two irrational numbers. Between 2 and 2.5. Insert the irrational numbers between 2 and 2.5. So the formula is that if the two rational number a and b, then irrational number between equals to under root a into. So irrational numbers between them find between 2 and 2 into 2.5. So under root 5. So under root 5 is the irrational numbers between the 2 and 2.5. Or if anyone say that is a 2 by 5, insert 5 irrational number between 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So that is a very simple way. You just divided it. So 0.4 and 0.6. So any number 0.4 put the any number, but his patterns is that is the not repeating. फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकेंड नंबर आप यूज कर सकते हो 0.4 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and so on. Third way 0.4 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 और so on. यहाँ पे 2 3 यहाँ पे 4 कर दो, ऐसे करके कोई भी पैटर्न्स में आप दे सकते हो. That's the all the numbers are the irrational because the, all the decimal places after the decimal places not the repeating after the sum line. So that is the irrational. So that's the process to insert the irrational numbers between the two rational numbers. So next class we'll discuss about the rationalizations of the denominator. First of all before to study about the exponent of the real number. First of all, we discuss about the exponent of the real number. Then after the using the rationalization of the denominator. So the next class you just discuss about the exponents of the real number. Then after the completing of that exponent of the real number, we discuss about the how to rationalize the denominator of the any fraction. Thank you.